Hello everyone, welcome back to Kaizen Spirit. My name is Sudeep and today we are going to talk about gratitude. Sounds interesting? Let's get started. So, what is gratitude? Well, you must have heard this word a million times, but still, let me remind you the definition of gratitude. Gratitude is the state of being thankful for something. One of the most challenging problems in 21st century is the fact that our desires and our wants have increased exponentially. We keep getting exposed to number of things and then we immediately get the desire of possessing it. And when we do not have something which we wanted, we tend to ignore the things we already have, and we also forget the fact that these are the things which we wanted once upon a time. Take the example of a good house or a good life partner or a well paid job. If you analyze your thoughts, you will realize that these were the things you wanted once upon a time. But now you are taking this as granted. If you develop the attitude of taking things for granted, then you are not being grateful enough. In this pandemic situation, you know very well the people who are suffering badly. You know their conditions. And in case you are not facing any of these problems, you have a house to live, then you should be grateful enough for all these things. In case you are facing problems, to break your normal thought pattern and to adopt the grateful attitude, then let me share with you 2 points which will help you to trigger that thought process. Number 1, give yourself a reality check so that you do not exaggerate how bad your situation really is. Most of the time, we get caught up in the thought process like, I don't have this, I don't have that, I really want this, the other person has that. In this process, we completely ignore all the basic essential things that we already have, which 90% of the people do not have in this world. So do the reality check every now and then whenever you think that you are slipping into the ungrateful attitude. Number 2, the second step to trigger the grateful attitude is to replace your overly negative thoughts with realistic thoughts. Most of the things that we imagine are not that realistic. We did borrow that thought from some other source, may it be social media or movies or any books or whatever. It is not truly our creation. It is simply the creation of some other person which we felt fascinating and we directly adopted them without thinking about anything else. So being realistic is extremely important in this present world, and it is really not very helpful to live a life just in a fantasy world. So now let me share with you few benefits of having a grateful attitude. Number 1, gratitude opens door to more relationships. A grateful person is more attractive than an ungrateful person. People who are grateful receive more of what they truly want. But people who keep complaining about the things that they do not have actually stay at the same place throughout their life. Number 2, gratitude improves your physical health. Well, if you are not aware of the brain and body relationship, then it is time for you to do little bit of research on this topic. When you are grateful, you feel more happy, and in that state, your physical health is actually in a good state. But when you keep complaining, you'll realize that your body is not getting that strong feeling which you have when you are feeling grateful for something. Number 3, gratitude improves your mental health. This is a well known fact. When you are grateful, your creativity improves. But when you are not grateful, you are actually stuck inside a problem and keep finding more and more explanation of why things did not go well. So you should definitely avoid this ungrateful attitude and move towards a grateful attitude. Number 3, gratitude improves your sleep. When you are grateful for the life you have right now, you will actually feel more relaxed, and in a relaxed state, your sleep will definitely improve. Number 4. Gratitude improves your self-esteem. When you are grateful, you will feel that you are more confident in public and private as well. But when you are ungrateful for something, you will not feel that confident because your brain gets occupied in finding more and more reasons for the problems you have in your life. But when you are grateful, you are at peace, and in this peaceful state, your confidence is bound to improve. Well, these were some of the major points and advantages about gratitude. But there are thousands of more advantages of gratitude, and you can definitely find them if you start looking for them. To end this video, I would like to share some final thoughts which will definitely help you. Well, thinking more and more about the things you do not have is actually not helping you in any way. To get what you want, you have to take action. And to take action, you need more creative thoughts. And you know how to get creative thoughts, right? It is by being grateful for the things which you already have. So that is all for today. I hope this video helped you in getting 1% better. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button and subscribe to Kaizen Spirit so that you get notified whenever I release new videos every week. Thank you and have a great day. Goodbye.